Jai Hind friends, today I am going to talk about a very important topic, sex education. This topic often generates many curiosity and question, but unfortunately it is not discussed openly in our society. The goal of this lecture to provide you a scientific, accurate and practical knowledge about this subject so you can make informed decision about your health and well-being. Today we will discuss about what is sex education, why why should teach student about sex education, why this is important to know everyone about this. Let's go on discuss what is sex education. Sex education is the process of physical, emotional and ethical aspect of human sexuality. It is covers such as topic reproduction, relationship, safe practice, and consent. It is not just teaching about biology, it is about relationship, understanding relationship, respect, and responsibility. The importance of sex education. First, health awareness. Help in understanding how the body works, change during puberty, and how to maintain hygiene and health. Second, breaking myth eliminates misconception and provides scientific information. Fourth, empowerment enable informed decision making regarding relationship and sexual health. Fourth, prevention reduce of sexual transmitted infection, unintended pregnancy, and unhealthy relationship. Physical and emotional changes during puberty. Puberty is a natural phase when your body transitions from childhood to adulthood. Physical change in boys, growth of facial and body hair, deepening in voice, and increased height in girl, development of breast, menstruation, and widening in hips. It is important to understand that these changes are normal and the part of growing up. Understanding reproductive health. First, health system. Learn the anatomy and function of male and female reproductive hormone. Second, hygiene. Proper care during menstruation, maintaining cleanliness and addressing health concerns. Third, medical support. Consult a doctor if there are irregularity in period, pain or infection. Consent and safe practice. Consent means giving permission willingly and freely. Any relationship must be based on mutual respect and understanding. Second, safe practice. If you choose sexually active in adulthood, use contraceptive to prevent unwanted pregnancy and STD. Abstinence is also valid choice and should be respected. Building healthy relationships should be built on trust, mutual respect, and open communication. Avoid relationships that make you feel pressured and or unsafe. Learn to recognize sign of healthy versus unhealthy relationship, and learn to about good touch and bad touch. And safety. This time in social media world, it is very serious in our day. Internet has created a new space for interaction, but it comes with a risk. So do not share your photo, video, and any information online. Report any type of harassment or inappropriate content to adult authority if you find. Breaking myths. Misconceptions exist about sex and reproductive health. Example: myth: menstruation is impure, but in fact we read menstruation is a natural biological process. Second myth: contraceptive is 100% effective. In fact, we know no method is foolproof. Elaborate, but they reduce the risk. Always rely on scientifically and accurate information. Let's time to conclusion. To summarize, sex education is not just about learning the fact of reproduction. It is about learning. It is about understanding yourself and respecting others and making responsible decisions. With knowledge comes empowerment, and with empowerment comes ability to lead their lives healthy and respectful. Remember, there is no shame to discuss these topics openly, and it is our growing into a well-informed and respectful. So, I want to say you that school should teach children about sex education, and also their parents should teach their children about sex education. What is sex education? So their children understand and lead their life healthy and responsible. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.